In this tutorial, I will show you slice tool and slice selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already opened Creative Commons license image from Google. So I am accessing slice tool. This is shortcut is Shift K. You can see shortcut Shift plus K. So you can see that slice define boundaries between elements in web layouts. So creating a boundary here. You can see I am creating another from here. I can also switch to slide selection tool and select this selection or select this selection. I can select the selection with this tool. Then holding down Alt, I am selecting it, holding down Alt, you can see a plus sign has been appeared with the cursor. Now I can copy this slice bounding box and I need to select it again and then holding down Alt and define the boundaries. In this way, actually I can slice images for web layout. You can see I am also defining this layout. Also, now after creating the boundaries, I am exporting this. Export set for web and legacy. I need it PNG24 and you can see here is few tools. You can see this is toggle slice visibility. You can turn off and turn on this layout visibility. Here is also another options, all slices and selected slices. If you select all slices, all the slices will be export. Otherwise, you can also select this selected slices so that you can it will only export the selected slices. I am holding down Shift from keyboard and select this slide, this slide, this slide, this slide, and now I am selecting selected slices and this is PNG24. So in this way, if I shift it, then it will be set to your PC or laptop. So that was for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.